Turnitin is originality checking, an online grading software used to provide feedback to students. Used along with guidance on plagiarism and referencing, it can help students to learn proper citation and writing practices. It also allows staff to streamline the grading process and provide feedback in a variety of ways. Some key features include highlighting content which may not be original, inline comments, grammar feedback, and shared rubrics and grading forms. There are many file types that can be evaluated, including Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, HTML, rich text formats, plain text, Google Docs, and Adobe PDF. First thing you need to do is to create an assignment on your course page in the DLE. To do this, you need to turn editing on and click Add an activity or resource in the appropriate section to open the activity chooser. Double-click on the Turnitin assignment option to go to the Adding a New Activity screen. In General Settings, enter a name to identify your assignment, and you can also add a summary if you want. Scroll down to specify the file submission type. You can also specify the number of parts to an assignment. Select No under the Allow Submissions of any file type option if you only want files that can be evaluated by Turnitin to be submitted. Check the box at the bottom to save your settings as default for future assignments you create. In Grade, you can select the grade type and maximum grade. You can also specify the pass grade for this assignment. It is possible to have different parts to an assignment. In the Assignment Part 1 section, you can add a name for the part, and you can enter the start, a due, and a post date, as well as the max marks for this part. The post date is the date that feedback will be released to students. Next, we will look at the Originality Report options. You can allow submissions after the due date, and you can select a report generation speed. You can also select how you want to store student submissions. You can choose between standard and no repository. You can specify whether to check against internet resources for plagiarism, and below you can select which sections you want to exclude. The Exclude Small Matches option allows you to choose to exclude matches that are not of sufficient length from being considered when generating originality reports. This section can be overridden in individual originality reports.